Wait, before you buy another automation tool, OpenAI just dropped something they're calling Canva for AI agents. They claim you can build enterprise-grade AI in hours, not months. But here's what nobody's telling you. I spent 40 hours testing this against the automation platforms my team has used for years. And what I found? It's not what you think. One of these is about to save you thousands of dollars. The other will waste months of your time. Let me show you which is which. For the past 3 years, my team has built custom AI automation for businesses doing 7 and 8 figures in revenue. When AgentKit dropped in October 2025, every founder I know asked the same question. Does this replace everything? Here's the truth everyone's missing. These aren't competitors. They're different tools for different jobs. It's like comparing a Formula One race car to a semi-truck. Both are powerful. Both are expensive. But you wouldn't use a race car to move furniture. I'm breaking this into 4 battle rounds. And I'll reveal the hidden deal breaker that both platforms have that could cost you everything. Stay until the end for round 4. That's where enterprise dreams go to die. Round 1, the user interface war. Because if your team can't use it, it doesn't matter how powerful it is. Agent Builder absolutely destroys here. Look at this. Drag and drop simplicity, no API key hunting, model selection in literally 2 clicks. Meanwhile, traditional builders make you feel like you need a computer science degree just to get started. But here's where it gets insane. ChatGPT. This is OpenAI's secret weapon. 21 pre-built interactive widgets, forms, product cards, date pickers, all beautifully designed. HubSpot said this saved them weeks of front-end development. Weeks! Now look at the competition. They give you the AI brain, but for the interface, you're stuck with WhatsApp bots, Telegram integrations, or building your own front-end from scratch. If you want a gorgeous chat interface on your website, you're hiring a developer. Drop a comment right now. Are you team beautiful UI or team backend power? Because round 2 is where everything flips. Round 2, the invisible power. This is the silent killer that nobody talks about. The architectural difference that makes or breaks real businesses. Here's Agent Builder's Achilles heel. It's built for conversations. That means it basically has one trigger, you talking to it. Want it to run when you get an email? When a customer buys something, when it's 9 a.m. on Monday, you're gonna need custom code and API gymnastics. Now watch this. Workflow platforms were born for this. Hundreds of native triggers. A new Stripe payment? Done. New row in your spreadsheet? Automatic. Slack message in a specific channel? Already running. This is their home turf, and they dominate it completely. And here's why this matters for your wallet. The automations that make you the most money are the ones running in the background. Lead nurturing at 2 a.m. Invoice generation after every sale. Data syncing between systems. This is compounding ROI. It's working while you're not. Agent Builder simply wasn't designed for this, so we're tied, 1-1. Round 3 is about raw power. How many tools can you connect? And do you own your data? This is where things get controversial. Round 3, the tool chest war. Your business runs on 47 different systems. Can your AI agent talk to all of them? Agent Builder keeps you in OpenAI's beautiful walled garden. You get their GPT models, which are incredible, and quick integrations like web search and file search. But you're connecting to external tools through MCP servers, and that ecosystem is still pretty limited. You're basically locked into the OpenAI universe. Workflow platforms, they're connecting to everything. 3,000 apps in some cases, every CRM, every database, every accounting system, every e-commerce platform. If it has an API, they connect to it. And if they don't have a native integration, they have the HTTP request module, which means you can connect to literally any system on the internet. But it gets even better. Model flexibility. You're not locked into one provider. Need Claude for analysis? Use it. Want to save money with Gemini Flash? Done. Compliance requires local hosting? Run Llama on your own servers. And speaking of ownership, many of these platforms are open source. You can host them yourself on your infrastructure with your data never leaving your servers. For enterprise flexibility, diverse integration, and data ownership, workflow platforms are the clear winner. Round 3 goes to the automation side. But remember, If you're enterprise and you need true multi-agent coordination, automatic citations, and per-agent security, you need to look beyond both of these toward specialized frameworks. That single insight could save you 6 months of painful mistakes. If this breakdown saved you from making a costly mistake, smash that like button right now and subscribe, because my next video goes deep on those specialized multi-agent frameworks. I'm testing LangGraph, Crew AI, and AutoGen head-to-head with real enterprise requirements. You do not want to miss that.